We all have a gut feeling for viscosity, right? Honey is thick, water is thin.
But why? I mean, it seems so obvious. What's really going on? Let's dive in.
It all comes down to a fluid's internal resistance to flow, and that property is called viscosity.
Okay, but what does that mean on a scientific level? To get it, we need to look closer. So, let's picture a fluid moving. Think of it like a deck of cards, with layers sliding past each other.
These layers rub against each other, creating friction. In physics, we call that shear stress.
The bottom layer sticks and stops, then it drags on the one above it, creating a speed gradient. For most fluids, this relationship is linear. The constant that links them, well, that's viscosity.
And this simple but powerful idea has a name: Newton's Law of Viscosity. It's absolutely fundamental.
So how much does this property actually vary? The scale is pretty wild. Let's take a look.
Let's use water as our baseline at 1 centipoise. Engine oil, that's 500 times thicker.
And then you get to the really extreme stuff. Some fluids are so viscous, they look completely solid.
Check this out. The pitch drop experiment started way back in 1927. It's the longest-running experiment ever.
In almost 100 years, only 9 drops have fallen. Talk about taking your time.
So why? What's causing this friction? For that, we've got to zoom way in, to the molecular level.
In liquids, molecules are kind of sticky. They attract each other. In gases, they just crash into each other.
And that's why heat has opposite effects. Hot liquids get less sticky, hot gas molecules just collide more often.
So this isn't just theory. Viscosity is super important in our world, from daily life to complex engineering.
It really affects everything. The oil in your car, the water in pipes. It's literally everywhere. But here's a twist. Not all fluids play by Newton's rules. Some actually change their viscosity under stress.
Just think about paint. It thins out when you brush it on, but thickens on the wall so it won't drip.
Which leaves you with a pretty cool question. If we could control viscosity perfectly, what could we even create?